Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a quick and easy guide on how to allow security alerts on the WhatsApp app for PC. If you've recently updated your application, you might have noticed some small changes in the settings, and enabling security notifications is one of the most important steps you can take to keep your account safe while using WhatsApp on your computer. Security notifications are designed to let you know if your security code, which is tied to your chats, changes on a contact's device. This helps you stay informed if anything suspicious is happening, or if someone updates their account or device without you realizing it. Turning this option on means you'll always be alerted when there are changes that could affect your account safety. Let's get into the simple steps to set this up. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Once it's open, look toward the bottom of the screen where you'll find the gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear symbol to open your settings. Next, from the Settings menu, select the section labeled Account. This is where all of the major privacy and security options are managed. Inside the account settings, you'll see an option for Show Security Notifications on this computer. All you need to do here is enable it by switching the toggle on. That's it. The process is that quick and straightforward. Once enabled, WhatsApp will automatically notify you whenever there's a change in the security codes on any of your chats, giving you more confidence and peace of mind that your messages remain protected. Taking these few moments to adjust your settings ensures that you're using WhatsApp with stronger awareness of your account's security. It's a small step, but it can make a big difference in keeping your communications private and secure. So make sure you open your WhatsApp app, hit that gear icon, head into your account settings, and turn on Show Security Notifications on this computer today.